Put 16 cords together. Measure 5 cm on the left and 5 cm on the right. Add a short cord 180 cm. Tie square knot 10 cm. Put hanger loop together and tie weft knot. Tie 7 square knots 6 grooves. Put square knot pattern together. Add a short cord 80 cm. Tie weft knot. Tie 5 rows of square knot. Now I start the first row. The second row. The third row. The fourth row. And the fifth row. Put square knot pattern together. Add a short cord 80 cm. Tie weft knot. Separate 32 cords into 4 groups. I start with the first group. Tie 1 row of double half hitch knot, working down and to the right. Tie a cord. Tie 1 row of double half hitch knot, working down and to the left. Repeat the same pattern 6 times. Tie 2 rows of double half hitch knot, working down and to the left. Tie 2 rows of double half hitch knot, working down and to the right. Repeat the same pattern for each group. Leave 10 cm space. Put pot holder together with square knot. Repeat the same pattern for 4 sides. Leave 6 cm space. Add a short cord 80 cm tie weft knot. Using 4 cords, tie 1 square knot. Tie T lark'shead knot with loop on the right. Do the same on the left. Tie 3 square knot. Repeat the same pattern 1 time more. Put together and tie weft knot. Thank you so much.